Welcome viewers. Good afternoon to everybody. Myself Dr. G.D. Majhi, my post-graduation from the University of Delhi, and I have long 32 years of experience in teaching plus 2 and plus 3 level. I have also 3 years of experience in teaching to public school students at Delhi. Now, the topic today is very preliminary to beginners about symbol. Symbol is, it is the abbreviated form of an element. It is also the shortened form Now, most of the elements are given the symbol by their first letter, like hydrogen, symbol is H, nitrogen, N, oxygen O, boron B, sulfur S, carbon. See, like that. The second rule is, by the first two letters of the element, helium, He, calcium, Ca, beryllium, Be, barium, Ba, radium, Ra, selenium, Se, like that. The third rule is, most of the elements are given the symbol by the first letter and the more pronounced one. By the first letter and the more pronounced one, like chlorine, Cl, rubidium, Rv, B is pronounced more. In case of chlorine, L is pronounced more. Cesium, Cs, astatine, At, arsenic, As, like that. My point of attraction is, today I want to tell you that the elements are symbolized by the Latin words. That is important, by the Latin words. I shall tell this portion from the beginning. Most of the elements are given the symbol from their Latin words, like sodium is the name of the element. Latin word is natrium. Symbol is Na. These symbols are important, which are derived from the Latin words. Potassium. The Latin word is kalium. The symbol is K. Then silver. The Latin word is argentum. Symbol is Ag. Then gold. This is aurum. Symbol is Au. Then mercury. Symbol is hydrargyrum. Symbol is Hg. Then tungsten. The Latin word is wolfram. This is W. Then antimony. This is strontium. Sb. Then lead. This is plumbum. Bb. In the first group, perhaps lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Then fourth carbon, silicon, germanium, lead, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Then oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. I have written sodium, potassium, silver, gold, mercury, tungsten. Then each ones are there. Iron. The word is ferrum. This is Fe. What else is left? One or two more. Then the each one is copper. The Latin word is cuprum. Cu. It's all over, or one more is left. Let me recollect: sodium, potassium, silver, gold, mercury, tungsten, antimony, lead, iron, copper. Probably I was giving a stress on symbol of the elements which are derived from the Latin word. This is important in today's teaching today. I hope you like my teaching. It's all over. Thank you. Thank you all.